Hello, welcome to the PARS Health Clinic channel. We hope you're happy, healthy, and wealthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about stretching for seniors and everything you need to know about it. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. It's never too late to get your stretch on. If you're a senior looking to gain more independence, mobility, and flexibility, which can help you avoid falls and other injuries, stretching just might be your new best friend. Studies have shown that with age, flexibility decreases by up to 50% in some joints. Since this decrease is gradual throughout your life, you may not even notice it. Then, one day you go to reach something or get up off the floor, and, ouch. It's at this point many seniors turn to prescriptions, assistive medical equipment, or even in-home assistance to help them perform daily activities. It's common knowledge that people slow down as they age. Daily activities, like standing up from a chair and getting in and out of bed, become increasingly difficult. These limitations are often caused by a decline in muscle strength and flexibility. Flexibility is the ability of the muscles and tendons to lengthen and stretch in response to movement, and allow a joint to move through its range of motion. A good stretching program is important to incorporate into your daily routine to help maintain flexibility. Stretches for the neck, arms, back, hips, and legs will help maintain flexibility as the years pass by, keeping you limber for all life has to offer. By improving your flexibility, not only will you be improving the range of motion in each of your joints, but you're going to find yourself moving around with greater ease. All those daily movements will seem so much easier, and you'll feel yourself becoming free of painful niggles. You'll have improved posture, improved balance, and also decrease your chances of picking up a future injury. Not only this, we all know how good we feel after we stretch out the body. Stretching can help in decreasing tension and stress, resulting in a positive mindset, relaxed body, and feeling good. Benefits of stretching. Stretching allows for greater movement in joints and improves posture. It also helps to release muscle tension and soreness and reduces the risk of injury. Lastly, it may also help increase circulation, muscle control, and improve balance and coordination. A study published in the Journal of Gerontology looked at the 12-month results of a stretch and flex program for older adults. The participants demonstrated positive changes in areas like physical fitness, self-efficacy, perceived functioning, and well-being. They also experienced a decrease in pain. Stretching guidelines. Seniors should try to stretch major muscle groups for at least 10 minutes, 2 days a week. Perform flexibility exercises on all days that cardiovascular or resistance training exercise occurs, if possible. If you're looking to gain more independence and control over your body as you age, I highly recommend making these stretches part of your everyday routine, and possibly even getting yourself into a regular exercise program. Remember, a body in motion stays in motion. Stretching tips. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale as you stretch. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds to give the muscle ample time to relax. Don't bounce while you stretch, as this increases your risk of injury. Only stretch until you feel the tension in the muscle, not to the point of pain. Always warm up before stretching by moving around for 5 to 10 minutes, such as going for a walk. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Here are 10 stretching exercises to practice regularly. 1. Neck stretch. Maintaining mobility of the neck is important for posture in activities such as driving. Stretch the neck by slowly bringing your chin toward your chest, and turning your head from side to side. Hold each position for 15 seconds. 2. Shoulder and upper arm stretch. Shoulder mobility is important as you age to maintain independence in activities such as getting dressed or getting items off a shelf. Stretch your shoulders and arms by holding a towel in one hand over your head, and letting it drape down behind your head and back. Grab the other end of the towel with your other hand, and gently pull down until you feel a stretch. 3. Chin drop. This stretch helps with neck pain and stretches your neck and shoulders. Put your arms in front of you with your elbows touching and your palms touching. Make sure your palms are facing toward your face. Then put your palms on the top of your head, and gently drop your chin. You should feel this stretch in your neck and shoulders. 4. Chest stretch. Poor posture often causes the muscles of the chest to become tight. Proper stretching can help lengthen these muscles, assisting with posture. Stretch your chest by extending both arms to the side, palms facing forward. Reach back with your hands until you feel a stretch across your chest and front of your arms. If you have a hard time holding your arms up, use a wall. Put your hand on a wall and step forward until you feel a gentle stretch in your chest. Switch to the other side. Do not overstretch. 5. Ankle stretch. Ankle stiffness is often a cause of poor balance. Maintaining ankle flexibility is important for activities such as walking and getting up and down. Stretch your ankles by sitting on a chair and slowly moving your foot up and down and side to side. Hold each position for 30 seconds and repeat on the other foot. 6. Hamstring stretch. Tight hamstrings, the muscles on the back of your thigh, can contribute to low back pain and difficulty walking. Lie on your back and extend one leg perpendicular to your body. Grasp around the back of your thigh, slowly pull the leg towards you, keeping your other leg and hip on the ground. Do not pull on your knee when stretching. 7. Quadriceps stretch. Your quadriceps, the large muscles on the front of the thigh, are important muscles for walking and standing. Start by lying on your side and bending your knee, bringing your foot behind you. Pull your foot towards your body until you feel a stretch. You can use a belt or a towel to help if you cannot reach your foot, and this can be done in a standing position as well. 8. Hip stretch. Older adults, especially women, sometimes have a lot of tension in their hips. Stretch your hips by lying on your back, bringing one knee out to the side of your body. Rest your foot against your opposite leg, and gently push down on the bent knee until you feel a stretch. 9. Lower back stretch. Maintaining mobility in the spine is important for proper posture. Stretch your lower back by lying on your back, knees bent, and feet together. Keep feet flat on the floor. Keeping knees together, lower your legs to one side, twisting your torso until you feel a stretch. Hold and repeat on another side. 10. Yo-yo stretch. This stretch helps align your spine and improve your posture. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Angle your toes slightly out. Interlace your hands with the palms facing out and bring them to your chest. Hold this position and twist from side to side. Be sure to keep your lower body stationary, and keep your head in line with your torso. Tight muscles, stiff joints, and aches and pains. Aging can take a toll on your body, but the good news is that stretching can help you feel better. Research indicates that stretching improves flexibility, promotes balance, and has the power to reduce pain or stress. Additionally, stretches that focus on posture and mobility can support daily activities and limit your risk of falling or injury. Stretching has many benefits for older adults. It is convenient, requires minimal equipment, and can be done anywhere. By incorporating a stretching program into your week, you may benefit from increased flexibility, relaxation, and improved quality of life. Never stretch to the point of pain or hold your breath during stretches, and always consult a doctor before starting a new exercise routine. If you have any muscle or joint injuries or previous surgeries, be sure to ask your doctor or physical therapist what stretches are best for you. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.